Introduce highlight features or overview summary of HOMIGIFTY 6-in-1 car vacuum portable cordless. There are features include 20,000 PA super suction. The upgraded high-speed brushless motor delivers 3 adjustable suction levels, 20K, 15K, and 10K PA, making it perfect for a wide range of cleaning tasks. From removing dust in your car to lifting pet hair off the sofa and cleaning crumbs from the kitchen floor, the powerful suction ensures a thorough, spotless clean every time. 6-in-1 mini car vacuum. This all-in-one device combines blowing, cleaning, inflating, and vacuum compression. Tackle tough-to-reach spots like car seat gaps, sofa corners, and keyboards, or inflate balloons in a flash. It's a true multitasker that saves you time and effort. Fast charging. The 6000 mAh high-capacity battery offers up to 30 minutes of continuous runtime, ensuring you can clean your car and home without interruptions. The Type-C interface allows you to charge it anywhere, anytime, and this mini vacuum cleaner reaches a full charge in about 3 hours. Replaceable HEPA filter. Equipped with 2 high-quality HEPA filters, cordless handheld vacuum supports replacement for continuous use. The HEPA filters capture even the small particles, ensuring cleaner air after each use. For best performance, simply clean and dry the filters after 1 to 3 uses. Portable and compact design. This cordless vacuum cleaner is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and compact for easy storage. The storage bag makes it simple to keep your portable vacuum organized and ready for use, while its small footprint ensures it doesn't take up valuable space. Perfect for families and car owners who need a portable, efficient cleaning solution. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases. Update all day YouTube channel to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.